Hi, there is a quick introduction about the interactive container in few minutes. Okay, so first of all, we would like to maybe specify what is the PyTorch environment we like to use. I decided to use a 22.08 as the version we would like to run for the interactive container. Okay, and it will be identical to the one to the schedule container we are going to talk about later. Okay, so please select this version. Okay, then we will apply the one GPU setting here. Alright, so after we have to launch the interactive container successfully, you are going to click the Jupyter notebook to run it. Okay, so after we are going to enter the Jupyter notebook, we are going to do the upload. About to upload the YOLOv5 zip file as well as your own data set. Okay, so after we have uploaded, and we are going to use a terminal to unzip the two files. Okay, so here is unzip like a YOLOv5 master. Okay, then unzip your own data set. Okay, into the YOLOv5 master directory. Okay, so for the first step, we are going to starting from here. Okay, all right, so I skip the one about to specify the PyTorch environment. Okay, so hopefully you already selected 22.08 version to start the container. Okay, so we are going to starting from to open the terminal. Okay, and then to unzip the YOLOv5 zip file for the first one. Okay, so it is done right now. Okay, then the next step is to unzip the football player data set I offered to you. Okay, so we are going to put it into the YOLOv5 master directory. Okay, all right, so we are already finished the first important step to run from the terminal. Okay, and there is a new step I'm going to introduce. Is about to modify the content of the data.yaml. Okay, yeah, because the reason is the original maybe file will be put under the root directory of the maybe from the home. Okay, however, because we put it in under the YOLOv5 directory, yeah, so we need to modify the path. Okay, yeah, so we are going to open go back to the terminal the Jupyter notebook. Okay, and enter the YOLOv5 master directory. Okay, so we are going to find out the data.yaml. Okay, so I mentioned that they is going to be modified to reduce the two dots into one dot. Okay, the two dots, original two dots means we are going to back to the parent directory. Okay, however, the one dot means we are going to search for, there is a folder named the trend, and there is an image under the trend. Okay, so you could see from the same directory we have the trend, validation, and test directory here. Okay, all right, so here is the step 2 to modify the data.yaml. Okay, and that will be fit to the folder because we already extract the trend dataset, validation dataset, and the test dataset into the YOLOv5 directory, yeah, which is different from their own original setting. Alright, so the last step is to run the interactive container to doing the software update and install the required library of the library GL. Okay, then we are going to switch into the YOLOv5 directory and then run the trend.py. Okay, so let's just simply just copy this command into the terminal again. Okay, so here, okay, so we are going to doing the Ctrl V, and it will start to install to update the environment, then to install the library GL. Okay, yeah, okay, so it is very quickly, and it actually start to doing the cache data prepare into the cache. Then they are going to train the model. Okay, so here is the first epoch, and when we have trained the model in the interactive container, I actually train it only for 5 epochs. Okay, yeah, the reason is we just want to show, okay, whether we are able to train the model successfully. Okay, so there will be have to deal with, okay, whether you have the correct setting about the data set, as well as do you have the good environment to run the container. Okay. All right, so you can see there is an evaluation result after we have trained the model. Okay, and you are going to preserve this one. Okay, and also maybe to see, okay, what is the result. Okay, maybe how many time to train for each epoch. Okay, all right, and lastly, there is only a little arrow. Okay, and the little arrow is actually the pillow version after the version 10. There is no such attribute of this one. Okay, yeah, however it doesn't influence our model training like this one. Okay, so I like to maybe skip to explain what is the reason cause here. Okay, however I'm sure that you are able to train the model successfully. Okay.